What is up, guys? Here in today's video, we're here for the Dirt Kart Nationals here at English Creek. As you guys can see, track right now looks a little dusty, but I mean, pits are just starting to fill up. We got about 118 carts here right now, and I don't know the full count yet, but right now, looking a little dusty, but hopefully some water can go on and bring this place back to life. So excited to get the night underway. Should have a lot of 250s and 500s here. Hopefully we can have some better luck here instead of Viola, because Viola luck just wasn't really in our favor there in the 500s, but hopefully we can have better luck there here in the 500s. So if you guys don't know the scale on how big the Dirt Kart Nationals actually is, last year I think there was close to almost 200 karts here, which is just a wicked number. In fact, I think there's actually 200 plus here, in fact. I'm not sure, I'll put the actual number down there, but it was a fun time, and hopefully we can have a better time out here. We were running 250s here last year and we finished 6th in the nation, which was an amazing accomplishment for us. And now we're running 2 karts here, so hopefully we can either repeat or possibly do better. So we're gonna have a hot minute till everyone shows up, because there's still a lot of people on their way here.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, so pits have started to stack up a lot more. There's around 181 karts here right now, 46 500s, which is pretty good, and there's about 31 250s that showed up. So we should have a great crowd for the 250s, and hopefully a few more 500s can show up. We had 60 show up last year, and hopefully we can have a few more come. I'm not sure what the time is right now, but I'll put it right here. But hot laps should be coming up pretty soon. Grandstands aren't filled yet, but also race time is going to take a hot minute to get ready. So I'll catch you guys once we get to drivers meeting, and then I'll catch you guys in the 250 for qualifying, if we have it. I'm not sure what the lineup is yet, if we're going hot laps and then qualifying, but we should be going straight into qualifying. So catch you guys in the 250. Wow. It was all fluffy up in the corners. Why would there only 15 cars there? Bro, in the last race at Ford, in the English were excited.
This feels a little warm. First off,
Alright guys, so hot laps and drivers meeting is over. I'll catch you guys in the 250 for qualifying. We decided to go out in the 500 and try and make some laps. Track is dusty right now, and not very many people are happy with it because it's chewing tires like crazy. So I'll catch you guys in the 250 for qualifying. qualifying is complete. Didn't do too hot in the 250, but we also had a lousy fuel line. So our fuel line was not how we wanted it to be, and we weren't as fast. So we went 15th quick in the 250. We start third in our heat race, but it doesn't look like we have too tough of a heat race. So hopefully we can go up to the front and go win that sucker. Here in the 500 though, did great. Qualified 11th out of 50, which is crazy good. And like if you look at from second to where I am, we are all super close in times. Like I think second place was an 11:20 something. We were at 11:28 something, which is just incredible. And like I don't think you guys know how excited I am qualifying 11th in the 500. That is a huge accomplishment. And I'm not sure where we'll start here in the 500, but I'll put it down there. And I'll catch you guys in the 250 for our heat race. Locked into the A here in the 500. It's just when you're on a slick track like this, there's no grip anywhere whatsoever. So it's basically just follow the leader and hope that they either run out of gas or make a mistake, and that's just not going to happen. So we could catch them in the 250, but we can't get around them because there's no grip to grab onto to get around them. So pretty frustrated in that, but honestly I think we did the best we could have done. I mean, there's no other words really to say. I mean, you play with the cards you're dealt, and our cards were that we qualified bad in the 250 because of our fuel line, and then the 500 and the heat races, there's no room to pass. And anyone who really did pass, basically, there's either a wreck in front of them or some other mishap, and unfortunately none of that just came our way tonight. So did our best and move on to tomorrow. I guess tomorrow I'll tell you guys where we start in both karts. We should hopefully be locked into the A and the 500. 250 is a different story though, because we didn't qualify that great, and then we had 0 passing points in the heat race. So hard saying where we'll be in that, but I think there's a lot of other guys in the 250s that have the same luck as we did tonight. So I'll catch you guys all tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching.